Right, Austin, what about you? Do you use any currency readers, currency recognizers?
So in India, everything is done. Most of the things are done by cash, unless you do some major shopping. You buy very expensive things. We pay for transportation by cash. Everything cash. So our Reserve Bank of India, which is the main bank, has launched an app. It's called MANI, that is Mobile Aided Note Identifier. And because every note in India are different sizes, the notes keep changing. They are thin, sometimes thick, old notes, new notes, coins keep changing. So a lot of changes, and that's why they have launched this app, and it's frequently updated. So I use that, and I'm going to demo that. So I'm going to demo an app called Mani, that is MANI. It's launched by RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, to identify currency notes and coins. It's only going to identify Indian currency, and it's frequently updated, as to all have currency identifiers should be updated because the currencies keep changing. So it has to be identified, it has to be updated to identify them properly. So let me open Money and we'll start the demo.
Money. Please listen to the instructions carefully. Sound settings. Instructions will be read out once in every 3. Accessibility volume set to 100%. You can use the default back gesture of talkback or double tap on the particular screen. You can listen to the instructions anytime by tapping on manual button in the help screen. कृपया निर्देशों को ध्यान से सुनें. प्रत्येक स्क्रीन में निर्देश एक बार पढ़े जाएंगे. यदि आप स्किप करना चाहते हैं तो आप टॉकबैक के डिफॉल्ट बैक जेस्चर का उपयोग कर सकते हैं अथवा विशेष स्क्रीन पर डबल टैप कर सकते हैं. आप हेल्प स्क्रीन में मैनुअल बटन को टैप करके किसी भी समय निर्देशों को सुन सकते हैं. Please give permission for mic to access voice command feature and camera to scan Indian banknotes. कृपया माइक को एक्सेस करने के लिए वॉइस कमांड फीचर तथा भारतीय बैंक नोटों को स्कैन करने के लिए कैमरा को अनुमति दें.
So as you heard, it has instructions in English and Hindi. Automatically, the app takes the permissions for camera and mic, but something happens and the app does not continue after that. This was the bug when the app was first launched, and I had written to the developers and I thought it would be fixed, but it is not. So let me relaunch the app.
Welcome to Money application. You can choose English or Hindi language by pressing the button or by using voice command. To activate voice command, press the button present at the bottom of the screen. Money application में आपका स्वागत है. आप बटन दबाकर तथा वॉइस कमांड का उपयोग करके अंग्रेजी अथवा हिंदी भाषा का चयन कर सकते हैं. वॉइस कमांड को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए स्क्रीन के नीचे के बटन को दबाएं.
So there are some buttons
Select
here.
language. To choose English, press on the Hindi भाषा को चुनने के लिए press करे button. Voice command.
So there are 3 buttons here. One is English, Hindi, and voice commands. Let me just access the voice command and see if it works.
To choose English language, speak English after the beep. हिंदी भाषा को चुनने के लिए बीप के बाद हिंदी बोले.
English.
English language selected. Please confirm your impairment type. 1 visual impairment, 2 visual and hearing impairment, 3 none of the above. You may choose impairment by pressing the buttons on the screen or by using voice command. To activate voice command, press the button present at the bottom of the screen.
So I'm just going to skip these instructions because the instructions are read in 2 languages and this demo will be very long then.
Unlabeled. To select visual impairment, press on the button. Visual impairment selected. For best results, the banknote may be placed at a distance of approximately 5 to 7 inches in front of the rear camera. To navigate to the other screens using voice command, You may tap the button present at the bottom of the screen. To navigate to other screens, you can speak the keywords Setting menu, Help, Home, and History.
Money, please scan.
So now this is the app window, and that is the end of the instructions. So first is please scan.
Torch on.
Torch is on.
Menu.
You
Try
have
again.
menu,
Voice command.
voice command,
Scan currency.
and scan currency.
System UI. Menu. Torch on. Menu.
So let's go into menu.
Money. Menu. Navigate up. But double tap to go. Double tap to go to history. Double tap to go to home.
You can go to homes page where we are currently.
Double tap to go to history.
This will show you all the currencies recognized.
Double tap to go to help.
You can go to help and read instructions.
Double tap to go to settings.
You can go to settings, which we will go to in a bit.
Double tap to go to settings.
So we will go to settings.
You
Money.
can change your setting and type of impairment. You can also navigate to the other screen by using voice command. To activate voice command,
Navigation bar.
press the
Back.
button.
Settings.
So it
Money.
will read the
Settings.
instructions, and to skip the instructions, if you are using the 3-button navigation, use the back button, or if you are using the gesture navigation, then do the default back gesture of talkback.
Navigate up. Double tap on button to change impairment.
So we don't want to change the impairment. We can change our impairment.
Double tap on button to change language.
We can change our language.
Voice command.
Pretty self-explaining settings, and nothing is in settings.
Navigation bar. Back.
So
button.
let us go
Menu.
and scan
Money.
some
Double
notes.
tap to go to settings. Navigation bar. Back. Scan currency. Money. Menu.
So I have a note here.
Try again. 100 rupees. 100 rupees.
So it's telling me it's 100 rupees.
100 rupees. 100 rupees.
Okay. Let's try something other.
Try again.
Yeah, that's because I've kept the phone at the side. Let's try a little beaten up note here.
Try again. That rupees. That rupees.
It's saying 10 rupees, and that is correct.
That rupees. That rupees.
Let's see what I have more. This will be the last one. This will give you an idea of how it works. Wow, I have some even more beaten up notes. This is an absolutely beaten up note.
That rupees.
So this also is 10 rupees. So it does identify very old notes and also very new notes. So this was the demo of Money app by RBI.
You have quite a lot of fakes as well in India, don't you?
Yeah, a lot of fake currencies.
Yeah, I was warned about that when I was changing notes in the UK when I went to India.
But
guy
now things
told
have
me-
improved. Yeah.
Yeah, the guy told me exactly what sort of things I should look out for on the notes. It was an instructive lesson in the travel agent I wasn't expecting.